Hi everybody, Vaiden of Hanks BBQ. Today we're going to be doing a bacon wrap grilled pineapple. All right, so what we did with the pineapples, we took it out of the packaging and put the coconut butter all of it. What that basically did was give something to the brown sugar to adhere to the pineapple. And we really put a heavy coat of brown sugar so you get that great sweet flavor. And then we put the barbecue rub on it to give it some really good color. After we put the brown sugar on the pineapple, we took toothpicks and we wrapped it in bacon, wrapped it all the way around the pineapple. What we like to do is take the core of the pineapple and cut about 1 inch and cap off one end of the pineapple and then fill it up with the barbecue sauce. And then take another piece of the core about 1 inch thick and plug the other end up. And we'll put a little more brown sugar on it, drizzle it again with the coconut cream, add a little more of the rub so we got plenty of flavor on there. We want to have the grill at about 425 degrees. The cook time can vary. Once you get a real good brown caramelization of the sauces and the bacon starts to crisp up, typically about 30 to 45 minutes at 425 degrees is what we like to cook it at. You pull it off, feed it to your family. It's a great crowd pleaser. Thanks for tuning in, watching the videos. Hope you got some real informative stuff out of it. Have fun with it, and we'll see you next time.